I just got my fresh fade in, guys. Didn't bother. What up, YouTube land? Just came to this restaurant quick around the corner. Very random, so I'm gonna show you guys what it's about, and special treat for this dude over here. He's having a special treat. I might try it because it's like a Vietnamese thing, and in South Africa they have it too, but I wouldn't try it there. But over here, let's give it a go. So it's called a hot pot. Yeah, so we're gonna have some hot pot and then just enjoy. It's one of those days, just like treat yourself. So this over here is like 49,000, and then how much was yours? I think this was like
Đây là
49
trứng với
something.
chiên mắm. Còn cái này trứng cái này bắt tận dầu bớt với ớt vào càng cay càng ngon.
So got some chicken wings. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Okay, there we go. That's so good, that is so good. Nice and tangy. What do you say, Ricky?
This chicken is probably some of the best chicken I've had in Vietnam.
Ain't that the truth? Ain't
This
that
is really good.
Travis, how's
How's
your
your
face?
chicken food?
How's your chicken feet?
This one is my favorite food.
Your favorite? Why?
When I drink
Why?
wine.
Tasty.
I'm so tempted.
Then I try this one.
I try one.
You made a good find here.
It's not half bad.
Cái salad thì vị nó nhẹ hơn.
One bite's enough.
Nó chưa.
So it was really good that we actually got more.
That good, we got 3 orders of this chicken.
Three orders, 3 plates. It's that good.
Just can't get
That
enough.
good. Can't get
Just
enough.
$1 for one dish.
That's $1 for one. $1 for one, and that's like really cheap.
$1 for one what? $1 for a plate, 2 pieces of chicken.
$1 for a plate of 2 pieces of chicken.
Right.
So we decided to actually have more because it was so good.
I feel like the fourth order.
Fourth order.
Fourth order.
So we got some veg. So we got the noodles. It's like prawn flavored. Got the spice, some ice, chicken wings, chicken
Let's just
feet,
eat.
crispy.
Can we just eat?
We're just waiting. We're probably gonna add some water. Oh, there we go. Let's do it. I also think a slow cook is better.
Ceylon more
Yeah, yeah. Slow cook. We're not in a rush. I was very reluctant to try one of these. Ah!
This is so good, my goodness.
So good.
Look. This is the best chicken bougie. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this.
Wow.
Like no meat, but it's like all the skin. The sauce makes it taste good. Okay, I'm gonna take a walk. Bitch, you banned me.
That was part of the plan.
Ah! Ooh, looking good, looking good. Got my mini bowl. Travis, do you mind? Everything, good, everything. Ooh, okay. Here we go. Gonna give it a solid try. This looks so good. Okay, here we go. It's really good. Let me go and enjoy this first. I'm in heaven. Is all I'm gonna say. So the owner is so friendly though. I got the menu and he added like my contact and he gave me 5 of the special sauce. Gave me 5 of this delicious sauce that the chicken was in, and it tastes like there's honey in, right? And so we asked him, so is there like honey? He's like, no, there's no honey in it. It's like there's something sweet in. What is it? Like family secret. Like, oh damn, almost got it. But I'm gonna make chicken with this at home. Try to. But other than that, I'm probably gonna order.
In the meantime, we just eat enough.